Hey everyone, want to use Pika AI to create amazing videos? In this video, I'll show you how to use Pika AI step by step. First, and go to the Pika AI website. Sign in or create an account if you're new to the platform. Next, click Create to start a new project. You can choose to generate a video from a text prompt, an image, or edit an existing video. Now enter a detailed prompt describing the video you want to create. I mean, the more specific your prompt is, the better your results will be. If you're using an image, upload it and choose how you want Pika AI to animate or transform it into a video. Next, adjust settings like video length, aspect ratio, motion, or style if those options are available. Click Generate and wait while Pika AI creates your video. Processing time may vary depending on your project and server load. Once the video is ready, preview it and make any edits if needed. If you're happy with the result, download or share your finished video, and that's how to use Pika AI. With just a few steps, you can create impressive AI-generated videos for social media, presentations, or creative projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.